Good morning, Trek team. I'm in a really funny place to be at in the summertime. Let me show you. I am at the Snowflake Ski Shop, 245 Board Shop. This was the original location, but they also have a shop at Kissing Bridge. This shop opened in 1970 and became Western New York's first snowboard shop. I love their chairlift. Can you see it back there? So why am I here? And I'm holding my daughter's skis. Jennifer bought the skis right here when she was in ski club at DeScales. Why am I crisscrossing them like that? Well, let me tell you. We're going to be talking about linear equations today. A linear equation is a special equation that looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. If I were to graph the points that this would make on a graph and then connect them, I would get a line. That's why it's called a linear equation. But this number that would take the place of this variable must be a fraction or a whole number, because this is the slope. Lizzie Schratz, who's now in college, came up with that, and she said to me, Mrs. Bauer, of course that's the slope. It's the mountain right next to the cross skis. That's what the skis were all about. So let's see if we can figure this out. If I had an equation like this, y equals 2x plus 4, and I wanted to plot it, I can start by using a table and picking 0, 1, and 2. Here's my x, I'm going to get my y, that's what the y equals. So 2 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8. I can add one more column because these really end up, I have an x and a y, so I have a point. I have 0, 4, 1, 6, and 2, 8. And I can plot those and I would end up with a line. Let me show you one little easier step. If I know 2x plus 4, I know this is the slope. This is what we call the y-intercept. That's where it catches the y line. Where the line, sorry, I'm on the street. Where the line goes through the y-intercept, the y-axis on a graph. Let's use a graph so I can show you this. So if I said, let's start with my first point. If I was at 0, 4, that means right or left. You're not going to go right or left. You're only going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was from my table. 1, 6, 1, 4, 5, 6. And then 2, 8. 2, 6, 7, 8. Here would be a line. Don't forget those stupid little arrows. There is my line. And so if I know that this is the y-intercept, and in fact we knew that from y equals 2x plus 4, right here this is 0, 4. 4 is my y-intercept. I can find the slope and get the line right from there. So I can start at my y-intercept right here, and we know that slope is rise over run. So this is going to be rise to 1, 2, run over 1. There we are. Rise to run over 1. Very easy to plot a linear equation. So yeah, I do have a ditty for you right now, and this is how it goes. I think you're going to like it. It's a song, and it's y equals mx plus b. Find the y-intercept, then rise over run. I know you can do it because slope is so fun. Linear equations, yes. Now I'll put it to the tune. Are you ready? You know what that b is? Y equals Let me show you. Y equals mx plus b. Bauer. Y equals mx plus b. Find the y-intercept, then rise over run. I know you can do it because slope is so fun. Linear equations. Yes! So go ahead and copy this. Stop this movie and copy it. Sing it. Come and buy your skis over here. And you know what? Have a great summer because it's not time to ski yet. Trek with me again. Bye-bye.